So this question from polynomials. So इसमें लिखा हुआ है the square of difference of the zeros of the polynomial. तो जब भी polynomials का चैप्टर है, क्वेश्चन है, zeros के बारे में बात की जाती है. So we say let the zeros of the polynomial, जो भी हमें दिया हुआ है p of x, be alpha and beta. And for every such question which is based on zeros and the polynomial chapter, we always find the value of sum of zeros, alpha plus beta, which is minus b upon a minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. So यहाँ से ये आ जाएगा, because this is the coefficient of x, so it will be minus a upon coefficient of x square, which is 1. And then we'll find the product of zeros, which is constant term upon the coefficient of x square. So constant term is plus 15 upon 1. Now the statement says the square of the difference. So we find the difference and the square. It says square of the difference. So we find the difference of zeros and square it. And then it is given as minus. Now how to solve this alpha minus beta? So for that, in polynomials, we are given this 3 formulas, जिसे हम कहते हैं ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश of the polynomial chapter. क्योंकि ये त्रिमूर्ति फॉर्मूला है, क्योंकि इसके अलावा कोई भी हमें क्वेश्चन दिया हो तो these 3 formulas will always work upon those questions. So first is alpha square plus beta का whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Then it's alpha cube plus beta cube, which is alpha plus beta ka whole cube minus 3 alpha plus beta. And the lesser known formula of the 3 is this alpha minus beta ka whole square, जिसे लिखा जाता है alpha plus beta का whole square minus 4 alpha beta. You have to remember these 3 formulas as the concept, right? तो यहाँ पर हम यूज कर लेंगे यहाँ पर ये formula that we are finding everything in alpha plus beta and alpha beta as sum and product. Now we'll substitute the value. Alpha plus beta is minus a का whole square minus 4 into alpha beta is 15. तो इसको अब सॉल्व करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? This is a square minus 60 is equal to 196. And further in quadratic equations also you'll understand कि we bring the terms together, the constant term here. So ये आ जाएगा minus 256 equals to 0, which will be factorized as x square minus y square, x plus a, x minus a, right? तो इसको मैं लिख दूंगी because this happens to be 16 का square. So a plus 16 into a minus 16. So we'll have two values of a, which is minus 16 or plus 16. So a will have two values, which will mean a is equal to minus 16 plus 16. So find the value of a. For me, a will have two values. A is equal to plus minus 16.